American pig farming method with BMC composite floors and sustainable practices. Pig farming in America has evolved into a highly efficient and sustainable practice, integrating modern technologies and traditional farming methods. One such innovation is the use of ventilated BMC, bulk molding compound, composite floors in pig pens. These floors are specially designed to ensure that the pigs remain clean, dry, and comfortable, while also providing excellent ventilation. The flooring allows for efficient waste management, as any excess waste can be easily filtered through the floors, reducing odor and ensuring a hygienic environment. This system is a cornerstone in modern pig farming as it helps maintain the health and productivity of the livestock. In these farms, pigs are usually separated into individual cells or pens, ensuring that each pig has enough space to thrive. These pens are designed to encourage natural behaviors while providing safety and comfort for the animals. The pigs' living quarters are equipped with straw and other materials that mimic their natural environment, allowing the pigs to root, dig, and engage in behaviors they would exhibit in the wild. One unique feature of these farms is the use of porky straw tomatoes. These tomato plants are grown alongside the pig pens, with their roots acting as a natural filtration system for the smart pigs' living environment. As the pigs dig into the soil with their strong snouts, they help aerate the earth, promoting the healthy growth of the plants. This symbiotic relationship between the pigs and the tomato plants creates a small-scale ecosystem that helps keep the pigs engaged and mentally stimulated, while also producing fresh vegetables for the farm. These plants benefit from the pigs' activities, thriving in the enriched soil that is constantly being tilled and fertilized by the pigs' natural rooting behavior. Unfortunately, as in all farming operations, the loss of pigs due to sickness or natural causes is inevitable. Handling the disposal of dead pigs in a safe and hygienic manner is crucial to maintaining the health of the remaining livestock and the overall cleanliness of the farm. When a pig becomes sick and dies, the farm staff immediately moves the animal out of the pen to prevent the spread of disease. The disposal process involves transferring the deceased pigs to a specialized cart, which is used to transport them to a designated area far from the main farm. At this site, an excavator digs a large hole, deep enough to ensure that the decomposing remains will not affect the surrounding environment. Before the pigs are placed in the pit, a significant amount of disinfectant is sprayed into the hole to minimize the risk of contamination. Once the disinfectant has been applied, the dead pigs are placed in the hole, and the area is covered with soil. This burial method allows the animals to decompose naturally over time, ensuring that the environment remains clean and the farm maintains its health and safety standards. The decomposition process also enriches the soil, creating fertile ground for future agricultural use. Incorporating modern technologies like BMC composite floors, alongside traditional and sustainable practices such as natural decomposition and the integration of plant life, American pig farming strives to balance efficiency with environmental responsibility. By embracing these practices, farms can ensure the well-being of their livestock while contributing to a healthier ecosystem overall. Healthy adult pigs are harvested and transported to the slaughterhouse. The process begins at farms where pigs are raised in a healthy and controlled environment, ensuring that the animals are well nourished and reach maturity in optimal condition. Once the pigs have reached the desired weight and health standards, they are carefully harvested and loaded onto specialized transportation vehicles designed to reduce stress during transit. This transportation is a critical stage, as reducing stress in the animals ensures better meat quality later in the process. Upon arriving at the slaughterhouse, the pigs are moved to a holding area known as the waiting area. This area is designed to keep the animals calm and comfortable before the next stage begins. The waiting area serves as a transition zone that allows the pigs to adjust to their surroundings before moving deeper into the facility. Once the pigs are fully anesthetized, they are moved to the bleeding area, where the primary exsanguination bleeding process occurs. At this stage, a precise incision is made in a major blood vessel, allowing the pig's blood to drain from the body. This step is crucial, as it not only ensures the humane slaughter of the animal, but also improves the overall quality of the meat by removing blood, which could otherwise affect the flavor and preservation of the pork. After the bleeding process is complete, the pigs are moved to the scalding and dehairing area, where their bodies are thoroughly cleaned. This involves placing the pigs in a large scalding tank filled with hot water, which loosens the hair on their skin. Mechanical devices, such as rotating brushes or blades, are then used to remove the hair from the pig's body, leaving the skin smooth and ready for further processing. The cleaned carcasses are then transferred via a conveyor system to the cutting area. Here, they are systematically split in half using sharp, circular blades. This process is automated and highly efficient, ensuring that the carcass is evenly divided without damaging the meat. The splitting of the carcass is an essential step that prepares the pig for further butchery, where specific cuts of meat will be separated. Each carcass half is inspected for quality and cleanliness to ensure that it meets regulatory standards before moving on to the next stage. This careful inspection helps to identify any abnormalities or issues that may have occurred during the slaughtering process, ensuring that only the highest quality pork makes it to the next stage. Once the carcass is split, it is moved into the boning room, where workers or machines remove the bones from the meat. This is a highly skilled stage of the process, as precision is required to remove the bones without damaging the meat. The deboning system is designed to separate the meat efficiently and safely. After the bones have been removed, the individual cuts of meat are prepared for packaging. Each piece of meat is peeled off the carcass and sorted into different categories based on its type and quality. For example, different cuts such as ham, ribs, and pork belly are separated and prepared according to specific standards. In the final stage of the process, the pork is classified and packaged for distribution. This involves grading the meat according to its quality, fat content, and other characteristics. Once the classification is complete, the pork is placed into foam boxes or other packaging materials that help preserve freshness and prevent contamination during transit. The packaged pork is then loaded into refrigerated trucks, ensuring that it remains at a safe temperature throughout the distribution process. These trucks transport the pork to various destinations, including supermarkets, butcher shops, and restaurants, where the meat is prepared for sale to consumers.